Okay. Is this Bunny? Bunny loves to bake. She made some cupcakes. Okay, sniff. Okay, what's next? And now they're baking an apple pie. Apple pie. Yeah.
Apple pie.
Sniff, sniff. Now they're making sundaes. Ice cream and cherries and whipped cream. Here's strawberry ice cream. Next. What's this one? Now she made a carrot cake. She saved the best for last. Oh, scratch first?
Bunny.
Yeah, the bunny. Sniff, sniff.
Bunny.
Yeah, right there, sniff. Did you want to sniff that one? No? The end? Oh, it's Daddy's turn.
Oh, Diner sniff. Did you sniff apple, sniff carrot cake?
Yeah.
Hmm?
Okay, let's see. What are they making here? They got cupcakes? Yeah, cupcakes.
Strikes me as a very unschooly book. First she brings
apples.
the cupcakes out to the video gamers. All they eat all day long is cupcakes, apple pie, ice cream, and cake.
Oh, and then they got some strawberry ice cream making sundaes? Yeah. That one smell? Right there. Oh, and this one's carrot cake.
Milky.
Yummy. Right here?
This.
Yeah, carrot cake.
Do you want to sniff?
Sniff. Smell good?
Bunny.
Yeah, bunny.
Yeah, bunny. Is that the end? You want to close it?
The end? We're done.
Oh, I guess it's my turn.